Hello again, and in this video we will overview our project that we want to build. We will speak about the main components we need. We will speak about hardware that we need to build this project. Also, I will explain for those of you who don't want to mess up with hardware and IT stuff, we will develop a simulator that will produce the same data that is producing these things. Obviously, using simulator, you cannot track real cats. You will have a fake cat, so with fake coordinates, but for our learning purpose, it's fine. So, for those of you who want to follow me with every single step, also using the hardware, let me explain what is this. This is a device called, I think, BU03TIT. This is a development board. Here we have microcontroller, microchip that basically exchanges a radio signal with another boards like this. This board can be contributed to be a tag to basically the device we want to track, or it can be contributed as an anchor. So anchor is with a board that we will place in the fixed position, and the board of which will know its coordinates. Instead, tag will have zero tag and it will be moving. So this will be moving around our flat. How this thing works? As I said, they are exchanging radio signals. So basically, they send a radio signal, they receive it, and they calculate the time of flight it was necessary to receive this radio signal. And based on that, this thing calculates the distance. Having three or more of these tasks, we are able to calculate coordinates. So just two devices is not enough. We need more of them. To be more precise, I have bought 4 anchors and 1 park. So totally I have bought 5 of these. One of these things costs me $15 from China. You need to wait. Maybe I will left also link all of the description of these devices in the description of this video, so you can search the internet. Maybe you have something cheaper in your counter. Also, we will need a Raspberry Pi or we'll need a SP32. Maybe if you have already something. So we will need these because we need to read the serial data from Anchor. We need to calculate the coordinates and we need to push the data to our system. So all IoT devices basically will generate the data that later we will process in our system.